Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Let's bowl off with cricket. Having not won a test in New Zealand since 1995, the West Indies will be hoping for a positive start to their two-match series when Game 1 bowls off on Wednesday at Seddon Park. Ronaldo Brown has our preview.
The likes of Brian Lara, Jimmy Adams, Courtney Walsh and Curtly Ambrose were operating at the peak of their powers when the Caribbean side last won a test in New Zealand, let alone a series. In all fairness though, the Windies have only won 3 of 11 test series on tour against the Black Caps. However, 2020 has been an odd year, and while this will be the first test for the Kiwis since the global pandemic, the Windies will be contesting their 4th. Head coach Phil Simmons, who was an active player the last time the Windies won in New Zealand, says if anything, the quarantine period may have helped with preparation for the series.
It's been a good thing that we had to do 14 days in which we practiced, and then we had another a 3-day game and a 4-day game. So I think some of the young players who haven't been here have gotten a little accustomed to test cricket conditions here, which I think is going to be similar from where we were to here. So I think they will offer a lot of mental strength, having gone through the period that we've gone through there, and we're going to push hard for them to put up the scores that they put up in the last 4-day game.
And despite the team losing their 3-match 2020 International Series 2-0, Simmons says that will not affect the test squad ahead of Wednesday's first day.
The T20s and the tests are different. The test team have done well in Queenstown and have enjoyed a tough 4-day game. And now they're coming into the test series with some confidence, especially with the batsmen who we haven't had that for a while. So I think the test team is in a good place, and disappointing with the T20s, but we're on to the test series now.
The first test is set to bowl off at 5 p.m. Jamaica time on Wednesday. Ronaldo Brown for TVJ Sport.